of you, every single one, using that
Only
bloody
haters will say it is AI.
assignments. You think I would not notice? You think I was born yesterday? Ha! You plagiarize a robot and you hand it to me. Do you have brain?
Is he okay?
I am scared.
Go to your desk.
No.
You got an average of 90%. Out of nowhere, 90%.
Can anyone tell me, how did all of you get 90% grade average?
I mean, someone sent a link to this app already.